Treasury bills are short-term government securities that pay interest periodically and can be sold to other investors before or after their maturity date. But even though Treasury bills are safe investments, you should be aware of their risk and interest rates when making investment decisions about your own portfolio of Treasury bills. In this video, let's take a closer look at Treasury bills and their factors. Characteristics of Treasury bills. Treasury bills are short-term financial instruments that are used by governments and other investors to raise capital. They are often used as a short-term source of liquidity because they are issued at a discount and mature at full face value. What I mean is actually, Treasury bills don't pay interest. In fact, there is no interest associated with them at all. Instead of interest, it consists an applied discount percentage. That discount percentage is commonly represented as interest. Treasury bills have a face value that's printed on them, but it's given for a discount which can be only redeemed fully after the maturity period. This means if you buy a Treasury bill which says 20% discount for 1 year maturity period, it actually means you buy a piece of paper for 80 rupees, but it actually worth 100 rupees. Advantages of Treasury bills. Treasury bills are low-risk government securities. They are safer than most other investments in Sri Lanka. Treasury bills can be bought in your preferred amount and range from 1 month to 1 year in maturity. The important thing about Treasury bills is anyone can buy Treasury bills. If you buy T-bills and hold them until maturity, you will receive your full investment plus at a discount rate from the issuing value. How to buy and sell T-bills in Sri Lanka. As an ordinary investor, you can't buy Treasury bills directly from the CBSL. You can only buy it from the primary dealers in Sri Lanka. There are 13 primary dealers currently in Sri Lanka. You can find them on CBSL's official website. Most of the dealers are banks and asset management companies. I have provided all the relevant links in the website article. You can pick from there. Then you have to select your primary dealer based on the interest rates they provide and their terms and conditions. Next, you have to download the registration form from the relevant primary dealer's website, fill in the details and submit it to the nearest branch. That's it. You can do it manually by visiting the relevant outlets too, but it varies from dealer to dealer. When your T-bills mature, you can redeem the bills back from your primary dealer. The important things to consider in Treasury bills. As Treasury bills are discounted paper and not monthly interest-paying investments, you will receive the total interest rate only at the end of the maturity period. Let's say you buy a 20% interest rate Treasury bill for 80 rupees, and if you decide to sell your Treasury bills before it matures, even 1 day before it matures, you will receive its face value of 80 rupees. But if you sell after maturity, then only you will get 100 rupees. Next, the interest rates that CBSL offers don't reflect your Treasury bill rate. Like if CBSL issues Treasury bills at a 24% discount rate, you will get only about 15 to 17% from the primary dealers. And T-bills are non-nominated investments. So whatever happens to the investor, the funds will be acquired by the institute. But you can open joint Treasury bills investments, which term and conditions are exactly the same as an individual investment. Always keep in mind you have to redeem bills as soon as they mature, because Treasury bills don't subject to reinvesting or transfer to any saving accounts. Financial overview on T-bills. Sri Lanka's central bank issues T-bills to control inflation and fund government spending. Treasury bills are short-term investments. Even the maximum maturity period is 1 year. The longer you hold your Treasury bill, the more interest you earn for a given amount of money. However, the CBSL prints more bills as needed in recent times, which means you will also have to deal with consequences associated with inflation. The auctions for the prizes will be held 2 times a month in a cycle. You can check the new updates and rates on CBSL's official website. After this, the primary dealers also update rates in an attempt of avoid inflating its economy. Sri Lanka now maintains an interest rate of 20 to 25% on treasury bills. In but near future, the rates will increase and decrease as proportional to inflation. Treasury bills are one of the smart risk-free investing instruments for the short term, and they are one of the wise investing ways to grow your money in a recession time like now. The resources for the video and links for everything I have mentioned are given in the website article, so don't miss it. I provide the article link in the description too. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.